The Singapore Manufacturing Federation is a trade association and chamber, and is one of the oldest trade association and chambers in Singapore. Also known as the SMF, we have currently about 3,000 members, consisting of MNCs, SMEs, and affiliate members. This challenge is one that seeks to help to increase a factory's production efficiency. You see, when factories produce things, more often than not, they do have some spare capacity. They do not use the full capacity of the factory. Now, we then match this with a small business owner or business owners who are trying out new products. These business owners do not then need to have to invest capital in building a new whole factory, right, which is at high cost and at high unknowns. So this solution, first and foremost, we are looking for an intuitive platform online for both the factory owners and the business owners to interact with each other and one another among the users of this platform. So it must have a strong CRM function whereby users can update their profiles, users can provide feedback, maybe about the business owner, how he does his business, about the produce or the factory. So there must be some sort of anonymity for the business owners and the factory owners. Now we hope to be able to scale this system further in future. For example, by including e-payment options, e-invoicing options. We hope to be able to scale this to the other 9 industry groups that we currently at the SMF have. Quite apart from the prize money, the problem solver will have an opportunity to leverage on the Singapore Manufacturing Federation's extensive contacts both locally and internationally as we look to bring this program to go past Singapore borders into the ASEAN region, into the Asian region and even worldwide. We look forward to working together with you. We believe that this is a project that is worthy of working on as it promises much more than just monetary rewards. Stride ahead with the SMF today.